Welcome back to Technophoria. Today we bring you the top 3 list of budget smartwatches under Rs 5000. Now the top 3 doesn't mean the first being at the top or third being at the bottom, it's just the list. Now moving on to the first product from our list is the smartwatch from Firebolt. Once you hold this smartwatch, you will realize that the frame of this smartwatch is built of metal. So it's robust and also it looks and feels premium. You will be impressed with the screen size. With 1.69 inches of screen size, it's the biggest in the segment. The touch response is good and the screen looks really good with the nice color output. With 500 nits of maximum brightness, you won't have any problem viewing it outside. It has features like oximeter, heart rate monitoring, meditation breathing mode, 8 sports mode, sleep monitor and all other basic features. It also has the vibration feedback when there is a call coming on your phone, and of course your phone needs to be connected with your smartwatch. It has a battery backup of 8 days and a standby of 15 days, which is good. When you will switch to the app drawer, it will remind you of the Apple smartwatch, which in my thought is quite interesting. It has a similar looking style. It doesn't come with a mic or speaker built in, so you can't answer the calls through the smartwatch. The oximeter and the heart rate monitoring is quite accurate here. It has IP67 water resistant rating, which means 1 meter underwater till 30 minutes is the limit, so it can withstand rain, workout, sweat, etc. This smartwatch comes in 2 color options, that is black and blue. Now moving on to the pros and cons of this product. Let's start with the pros. It has got a metal frame, so its build quality is good. It has the biggest screen in the segment, that is of 1.69 inches. 500 nits of maximum brightness. It has got a good overall value. Now moving on to the cons, it has got only 8 sports mode, which is a bit less when compared to the other smartwatches in the competition. Now let's move on to the smart score. Look and feel 5/5, durability 5/5, features 4/5 and value for money 5/5. It comes with a price tag of 3,999 or you can say 4,000 rupees, and the link of the product is given in the description. You can check the product out using that link. Now moving on to the next product from our list, Noise Color Fit Pro 3 SpO2 smartwatch. This smartwatch comes from the Noise brand, and once you take out the smartwatch, you will notice that it looks premium for sure. With a metal cage, it's surely built to last. The straps are made up of silicone and it looks and feels really nice. The screen size is 1.5 inches with 2.5D curved glass and it looks really amazing. The colors on the screen are good and crisp, and with 500 nits of maximum brightness, it's really easy to read outside. It comes with many inbuilt features like 24/7 heart rate monitoring, oximeter, sleep monitor, stress monitor, 14 sports mode, female health tracking, and many other basic functionalities. The accuracy of the oximeter and heart rate monitoring is pretty good. Though currently it doesn't have camera control features, which can be introduced later through updates. It's waterproof up to 5 atm or 50 meters underwater, so feel free to go swimming wearing one of these. It does have a feature that automatically detects if you're walking or running and gives you the stats accordingly. Just remember, it doesn't have a mic or speaker, so no calls can be received through it. It comes with Bluetooth 5.0, which is nice. There are many strap options to choose from. You won't go out of style. It comes in 6 attractive color options, that is jet black, jet blue, rose pink, rose red, smoke green and smoke grey. Now moving on to the pros and cons of this product. Starting with the pros, the screen size and quality is good. It has got 500 nits of maximum brightness, pretty accurate heart rate monitoring and oximeter, 50 meters underwater of water resistance. Comes in attractive color options. It has got a metal cage, so durability is really good. Now let's move on to the cons. Improvements in the phone app can be made, the rest of all is good. Now let's look at the smart score. Look and feel 4.5/5, durability 5/5, features 4.5/5, value for money 4.5/5. It comes with a price tag of 4,499 or 4,500 rupees, and the link of the product is given in the description. Now moving on to the third product from our list, Amazfit Bip U smartwatch. This smartwatch comes from the brand Amazfit. The body is made up of plastic, polycarbonate to be more precise, so the build quality isn't the best in the segment but decent. The wrist strap is made up of silicone material. It comes with a 1.43 inch display, which actually looks good with its color reproduction, and the touch response is also good. There is no problem in viewing the screen outside. It comes loaded with features like oximeter, 24/7 heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, stress monitoring, women health tracking, and other basic features. It comes with 60 plus sports mode. Yes, 60 plus sports mode, which is good. And it also has PAI health assessment system. PAI is a health evaluation system that uses algorithms to transform complex informations such as heart rate data, activity duration, and other health data into numerical values and present the data into simpler form to the users, which is quite interesting. It has 5 ATM or 50 meters underwater water resistant, so feel free to go for swimming wearing one of these. Its battery life is decent with up to 9 days. It comes with 3 color options, that is black, green and pink. Now moving on to the pros and cons of this product. Starting with the pros, it has got 60 plus sports mode, PI health management system, 5 ATM of water resistant rating. It's lightweight design with just 31 grams of weight. Now moving on to the cons. The battery life could have been better. Now let's see the smart score. Looks and feel 4.5/5, durability 4/5, features 5/5 and value for money 4.5/5. It comes with a price tag of 3,999 or 4,000 rupees. You can check the product out using the link given in the description. Now these are our top 3 recommendations of budget smartwatches under rupees 5,000. Which one is your favorite? Or if you own one of these, or if you have any other smartwatch in your mind, do let us know in the comment section. If you liked the video, please give this video a like. Do subscribe to our channel for more such tech videos. And if you found this video useful, do share it with your friends and family. We post new videos every week, so see you next week.